I started coming to see Dr. B in September of 2006, and that was just after my second chemo. I had been diagnosed with advanced 3B ovarian cancer, and on May 23rd, 2006, that was when I had my surgery, and I had 2 ports put in and started chemo in July, and so I came to Dr. B in September. And the reason I came to see Dr. B is because my Tai Chi teacher, who was also a good friend, was concerned about the chemo, because in Western medicine you do one of 3 things. You either burn the cancer, or you poison the cancer with chemo, or you cut it out with surgery. And with ovarian cancer, the standard care is to do surgery and then do chemo. So she was concerned that I wouldn't do well with the chemo, and she wanted, had heard a lot about Dr. B. In fact, Dr. B was one of her Tai Chi students, and she thought he was just fabulous and could help me out a lot. So I started coming to him because I wanted, I was concerned that with the chemo that my immune system would not recover, because with chemo it will destroy your immune system. So the first time I saw Dr. B, I had an entourage that came with me. My husband and my sister-in-law and Eileen came, and my husband was very skeptical because he knew me. I'm always one that likes to go outside the box. I believe that with Western or allopathic medicine, you're not treating the individual. You're part of a group, and they're going to treat you exactly the same. And I wanted more individual treatment. And my husband knew that I like to do a lot of things out of the box, so he was concerned that this was another fly-by-night and a person that did not know what he was doing. Well, he was so impressed with Dr. B from the get-go. He's an engineer, and he grasped a lot of what Dr. B had to say and understood it, and gave me a huge green light to proceed. And I've been coming to Dr. B since then, and here it is 2012, and so I've been coming to Dr. B for almost 6 years. Be 6 years in September, and not only has he helped me with my immune system, I have learned so much. I have done a lot of neurotherapy. I do the isopathic remedies. I have done the hyperbaric chamber. Just about whatever Dr. B has recommended, I have done. And I think I had a strong intuition from the get-go that Dr. B would be able to help me to recover from the treatment of the standard treatment for my cancer. And I'm happy to report that over the years I've seen tremendous progress. Dr. B believes that you know, the body can heal itself if you're given the right tools and the right things to help it along, which is what the neurotherapy does, what the remedies do, what the hyperbaric chamber does. So I feel like I'm very blessed and fortunate person to have found such a brilliant and amazing doctor who understands the body through his work with the blood. The blood, he deals with the live blood, and so he can tell from the blood what state of health that you're in, and he can determine what line of treatment to do, and he's looking for the cause, not just treating the symptom. He goes to the cause, and in my case, when I told him that I had dental work, I'd had orthodontic work, I'd had a IUD put in, he could understand why I'd had a lot of pelvic inflammation that led to the diagnosis of cancer, of ovarian cancer. So I like to understand, so I won't repeat, those kind of things. I like to understand what causes a problem, not just treat a symptom. And I'm so happy that I found Dr. B, and I think he's a brilliant and man that knows his patients, and he listens. He loves a mystery and loves figuring out the connections and why things happen. And by looking at the blood gives you so much information. So I'm so happy that he asked me to say a few things on his behalf, or to tell you my experience. And whenever I have an issue, I think about coming to see Dr. B first. I trust him that he will, lead me on the right path. And so I have so much confidence these days that there's nothing that will come my way in the form of any health issues. That nothing is too enormous, or that this kind of treatment won't help. The neurotherapy, the remedies, the German isopathic remedies will help. So I guess that's it.